You searched how to buy shares of MERLIN Properties SOCIMI SA. MERLIN Properties is a Spanish real estate SOCIMI owning offices, logistics, and retail properties listed on Euronext with the ticker MRL.LS. This overview is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as the example platform to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an ID, and then add funds to enable purchases. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker MRL.LS to find MERLIN Properties. Select the matching Euronext listing to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, review the company description, recent news, and the price chart to confirm it's MERLIN Properties. Verify the market shows Euronext and the ticker reads MRL.LS before continuing. To place a buy order, click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, the order may execute at the next open, and if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirmation. After execution, the position appears in your portfolio where you can monitor it alongside your other holdings. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to visit the platform.